This is Fun with Electronics Project 4 Part 2 where we create circuit 2. So here's the circuit and the manual. And here is my version of the circuit. And for R, I'll be using a 10K resistor. And for the current limiting resistor, I'm using 1K. And here is the hardware circuit. So as you can see, there's the 1K current limiting resistor. There's a 10K, the LED, the NPN transistor, and yeah, and we'll see how it behaves with the circuit connected to the source, 9 volts. So right now, since the base is not connected to the wire, which is acting as the normally closed push button, since I couldn't find that. Now let's connect this to the base and see what happens. Okay. All right, it's connected, and as you can see, the LED turns off. Then it turns on back again when I disconnect. All right. Cool.